Open your banking app and read one line. A chopped up merchant name, a reference code, an amount. You know exactly what it was. Nothing else does, and somebody has to sort it. Researchers took real transaction records pulled through open banking from 9 manufacturing companies. Thousands of transactions each, spanning up to 2 years, 11 categories to sort them into. The paper describes them as extreme abbreviations with almost no context, written differently by every business, so somebody sits down and does it by hand, line by line, month after month. They took a small language model already trained on financial text, fine-tuned it, invented synthetic transactions to cover the rare categories, then calibrated how confident it was allowed to sound. It got about 73% right overall, on the lines where it was more than 80% confident, 90% right, so the useful skill is not accuracy, it is knowing which lines to hand back to a person. Now the part nobody expects. The frontier model, asked to do the same job cold, scored 60.4%, 13 points behind the small, boring, fine-tuned one. Bigger was not better here, tuned was. The authors call it a proof of concept, 4 firms, 1 sector, and they warn the black box nature of these models is a real concern in finance. This is sorting what already happened, nothing more.